So today we're going to be harvesting our potatoes. As you can see, the potatoes have pretty much died off, turned brown, lost their leaves, and that's when you know the potatoes are ready to be harvested. We did 8 rows of potatoes, pretty much planted them at the same time, within a week or two of each other, and did a few different varieties. Each row is about 18 feet long, so we've got a lot of potatoes to harvest today, and hopefully we're hoping for a good crop. Alright, so after about 4 hours of digging and searching through the soil, we've harvested all of our rows of potatoes. As you can see, we've got a ton of potatoes. I thought the harvest did really well, and I'm looking forward to eating these over the next 6 to 9 months.